What is up, guys? It's your boy Mekel, Kasanova, coming to you live with another unboxing, and it's another item that just came in the mail from Amazon. It seems like this one is also from Spektrum Optics. So let's go ahead and not waste any time. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Yep, there's my cat fatso over here in the cut. Photobombing like always. Ooh. This is pretty nice. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Really nice case. Got that Spektrum logo. There we go. Now these are the highest end ones with the 99.9% blue light reduction. These, my friends, now these are the elites. All right. That's Spektrum for you. Really high quality. I like the feel of these guys. All right. And that just about does it for today. If you like what you see and you want to see more, go ahead and give a shout out. Leave a message if you want. You know, you can send me a direct message, mekelkasanova@gmail.com. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.